I was operating at the New York Society of Model Engineers holiday open house, and I grabbed a bit of video, and I thought maybe you would be interested in seeing it. Here's a shot from the operation deck, Empire State moving towards us, the ever-famous Thomas, and some sea liners running under the New Haven catenary, running a coal drag for the New Haven, passing the circus train. The circus train was built by some club members back in the 50s. The New York Society of Model Engineers is the oldest model railroad club in the United States. It was started in 1926, and in 2 years we'll be celebrating our 100th anniversary. I'm sure I'll have more videos about the festivities. Here's some more video from the operations deck. A short freight drag by a Lackawanna Camelback. A different view of the yard, the Hoboken. Here's a quick view of the inside of the Hoboken passenger station. Are all decorated for Christmas. A new project that we're working on at the New York Society of Model Engineers O-scale layout is the transition from the DC layout to a command control layout. Currently the whole layout is DC, and we're trying to introduce Blunami control. The Shay in the foreground is on a track that's just running DC, but it's being controlled with a Blunami controller, which is run through an iPhone. It allows individual engines to be controlled like a DCC controller, but we can retain our current DC setup. All of the switches will continue to be thrown in the tower, but the control of the engine themselves will be through the Blunami setup. Here you can see a better view of that Blunami controlled Shay. It was just running on a few tracks in the yard that are able to be isolated from the other trains. And it worked really well. The last hour of the open house, we were just running some of the 12 Blunami controlled engines, and the transition went very well. We just have to be sure to keep the power off to the DC engines, otherwise those blocks will not be controlled by the Blunami app, and we do need to keep everything controlled, so we're able to turn off power to the blocks with the regular DC engines in it, and it isn't causing any problems. We're slowly transitioning engines over to Blunami control, and it seems to be working really well. A lot of guys are really excited because we can control this layout much more prototypically than we have been able to in the past. More people can have more fun running than just the two people in the tower. I hope you enjoyed our video today. If you liked it, be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And I'm sure I'll have more videos from this layout. It is my club layout. It's where I tend to run all of my trains. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more videos soon. Thank you. The whistles. No.